All right, and so special thanks to VICMARS, who was nice enough to send us their D63 air inflator. This is a portable air pump, air inflator. Puts air into tires, basketballs, car tires, etc. So nothing to really show you around the box. It's got some logos, fast inflation, pressure measurement, multifunctional usage, and then their logos on each side. So let's open it up and take a look at it. So very compact, as you can see. Got a nice little carrying case to put it in. Love that. Then you've got your actual pump. So VICMARS logo, nice, round. There's where it'll spin. Very nice. And so that's where you put on your ends. Those should be down in here. Looks like your cable's about 1 foot long. Can't complain there. Got a light here as well. And then power modes, plus and down, and the USB-C port to charge it. Let's see, do we got power on it? Hey, look at that. So the modes button right here will switch it from car to bicycle to motorcycle to basketball. And so it kind of has those preset PSIs. Of course, the plus and down will take it up and down. So like if you need your tires to be 31 pounds, you set it there, plug everything in, and then normally you just hit your button. And there you go. You're putting air into your tire, and as soon as it hits 31 pounds, this will kick it off. Love it. Lastly, down in here, nice little user's guide, which tells you, of course, everything that you should need to know. And then here should be your accessories kit. So in here is your USB-C cable. Looks like, does this have an adapter? It does, look at that. So if you have like Mac products where you only have USB-C type, you could still charge this. Depending on which model Tesla you have, you could plug it in with a newer Tesla or an older one. Absolutely love that they put that little adapter on there. Never seen that before. That's it for this box. And then we also have, that's it for that box, our little connectors. So you've got this one for like a basketball. You got this one for like a beach ball or some kind of inflatable. And then you've also got this here. So there we go. That will do it for this VICMARS D63 air inflator. Really great. Love the size of it and how it works. Too big. Thumbs up. Thanks again to VICMARS for sending this to me to unbox and show you all. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.